channel, and now you are watching a new video of property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location, and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and reviews online that are given by guests who enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Category 5. Next we talk about the amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, all guests are required to visit photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. First class hotels come with reserved 5 If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, check description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking or this property, then you can help us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already stayed in this property, please share